wanted to give you guys the gist of this pouch. I like it though, like I really like it, but I didn't plan to buy it. Okay, I just told this guy change screen guard, and the next thing the guy changed the phone case, and I saw the phone case he changed, and I'm like, ooh, this is cool. I like the color and the design, so simple. It's so me. But as a Nigerian that I am, I didn't want to show him that I really like it so that he doesn't hike the price. Please let me know in the comment section if you are like this. If you've ever heard that you shouldn't show that you really like something so that they don't hike the price up for you. So I didn't show him that I didn't show him that I really liked it. So I had to pretend as if I don't like it. So that he can, even though he still sold it expensive. Well, I don't know if it's expensive. I don't know if he cheated me. He sold this for I think 1,000 or so. Did he cheat me? You guys let me know in the comment section if I bought it high or at a good price. I like it. My new phone case. My phone is looking all new right now, and I like it. Welcome to my channel. Hi guys. So welcome to our channel. So today I want to do a quick unboxing. My new filming gadgets. It is such an exciting news for me and an exciting milestone also for me because it means that we're going to the next level, right? I want to use it now, so I just want to quickly show you guys. My battery is really low. Ta-da! This is our tripod. And
I don't wanna go to work when you're wearing my shirt. Need more than a weekend.
This is so exciting, guys. I am so excited. Even though I'm really tired and hungry, but I am really excited about this particular one. To be honest, I've been wanting to buy a ring light for the longest time, really, like for the longest time. But anytime I want to buy it, my spirit keeps telling me no. Anyway, I don't know why this time around I went on to get it, and you know, I felt at peace. I was more at peace, and the Holy Spirit was like, I should not settle for less. I should make sure that I go for what I wanted, and I was going to get it. So even though I was seeing the ones I wanted that were fairly okay, but they were not really what I wanted, I was really willing to settle for it. But then again, there was this assurance. It was like, it was time. Like, you have to go for what you want. You're going to get what you want. And I'm like, okay, let's do this, Holy Spirit. And Holy Spirit helps me. You guys, just thank God for me, honestly, because I got exactly what I wanted and at the best price. Okay, it comes in this bag. This bag. Hey, international content creator. What's hot content for you guys? Okay, let me show you guys what comes in here quickly. So this is the ring light. It's 18-inch. This is what it looks like. It has a battery space here and here. Okay, anytime I'm trying to film, right, I always have to struggle with setting my camera. I'm going to share a picture of what my setup is to look like. I have to set up my camera, carry a mirror, be checking behind. Is my face set? Babe, come and help me set. Check if my face is in the center. I don't know if you guys notice. You see that some of my videos I'll be on one side. But anyway, so this is a mirror that comes with the ring light. So we'll put it up here. The mirror goes in here. And I'll set it up, and then battery charger, 2 batteries in case there's no light, because there's no light in Nigeria. So if you want to produce content and you don't have to wait for NEPA, get this one. 3 tripod. This is phone holder. Say phone holder. This is 3 phone holders. The sockets are what for when there's light. No sockets. Charger. Sorry. Charger for when there's light. The tripod. This is what it looks like.
When you're wearing my shirt, need more than a weekend to be here, and I'm feeling like I'm on vacation when I'm with you. Every day I wake up, you're my ocean.
Finally, yo. I don't have to be stressing myself about, oh, I'm not in frame. Oh, I'm standing behind the camera. Babe, come and check. Am I in frame? Come and study for me. Now let me use the remote control. eh, 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 don't worry, I'm looking at myself in the mirror. I like. I got exactly what I wanted. I wanted a good size. I don't have any problem with the size. I wanted a good size. I wanted a mirror. I wanted a batteries because of lack of light, and a phone holder. And that's exactly what I got. See, the girl gave me one that had a mirror, and I was willing to settle for it. But one man I said, "No, Anna Samu wonder," and then he went on to get it for me. Look at that. This is the brightness. You guys should be ready for some awesome content. Na camera remain. Bye.